Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, viewers. Now we are watching the Merchant Marine Polytechnic of Makassar news. And please give my permission as a guide on behalf of William Raymond Ryu from Merchant Marine Polytechnic of Makassar. Will be reporting today on Saturday, May 1st, 2021 from International Port of Soekarno-Hatta. So today I will report about the condition for a day here. MKG has predicted that the weather in Makassar for this afternoon is going to be cloudy with the temperatures of about 28 Celsius degree. As we know that the pandemic which hit Indonesia is still happening, but in other side, the passengers and the officers are still following health protocols, and not only that, because the government also provides rapid test service to passengers who will use the ship as a transport mode. And furthermore as well, there is a passenger ship that is KM Tiras, and it will be departing to Bau. And for more information, let's find out from Regal, because Regal can tell us exactly what's going on there. Good afternoon, Regal.
Thank you, Kadet Miriam. As you can see, behind me there's a passenger ship. Passenger ship is called KM Tiras. KM Tiras was arrived yesterday from Bau at 1 p.m. and today they will be departed from here to Bau at 11 p.m. They had been loading some passengers. I think that's all. I leave it to you, Kadet Miriam.
Okay, thank you so much, Regal. That's all about the news for today. I'm William Raymond Ryu, reporting live from International Port of Soekarno-Hatta. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom and good evening. My name is Cadet Muhammad Fauzan from Merchant Marine Polytechnic of Makassar. Now I am at the International Port of Soekarno-Hatta. It observes Saturday, May 1, 2021 with the temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. As you can see, behind me is KM Senabung. It's from Surabaya and went to Bau with the passenger on about 4 people and container passenger with 25 passenger, and passenger who get on from Makassar around 45 passenger, and all total passenger at KM Senabung are around 17 passenger. I think that's all information from me. Keep healthy and safe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, and Namo Buddhaya. Good morning, viewers. Now you are watching Merchant Marine Polytechnic of Makassar News. With me, Cadet Esra. I'm reporting from the International Port of Soekarno-Hatta, Makassar. Today, Monday, 1st of May, 2021. I will report about the weather condition and situation in this port. As the MKG has predicted before, Makassar will be in sunny condition with temperature around 28 degrees Celsius. And as you can see behind me, there is motor vessel Bukit Siguntang from Maumere and will be departure to Parepare with total passengers 98 persons on board. And as you can see, the situation here is not very crowded because of our government prohibited to carry out homecoming in this year because we are still in pandemic situation. And we all believe that it's one of our government effort to reduce the spread of COVID-19 in our country. So, to all dear passengers, please stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, stick with COVID-19 protocol by using mask, physical distancing, and wash your hand regularly. Big thanks from PB Makassar. Bravo. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.